with some prep, sand it down the wood, then give it a light painting, a first coat with some oil paint. This was some that was rest outside. Then I had some on the inside. The guys were plastering the wall, so the space was very limited. It's a house built, so you have to work around to suit. You know what I mean? You have some guys pinning in door frames, some plastering the walls, some guys are working on the ceilings, and then you have the electricians and plumbers and other work guys you have to work around. So this is more of the wood here for the handrail. I had it all laid out on the ground here, but as I told y'all guys, you have to cater for other workmen inside. Here you can see the handrail from another view. So this morning I will show you all some key cuts that I'm going to put in this handrail. It isn't much joints are going into it. Just with the lap, you have a dado lap right there. And then each one on the down I would put a notch. I'm going to the truck now to set up the tools. I'm going to have to bring the tools, bring the cord. You only have temporary current here, so I'll have to plug in there and then run the cord back to the other side of the house. So guys, I will set up and then I will start showing you all guys what's going on again. Well, I set up for work. This is some of the main tools I'll be working with: the level, jigsaw, hand saw, the circular saw, and that's the battery for the cordless drill. The bag there have some other miscellaneous tools like a little block plane, hammer, chisel, screws, miscellaneous things like that. I'm going to set up the tripod now, just here, and let it run. I'll show you all some clips of what I'm doing. Okay, I have the camera on the tripod now. What I'm going to do here is run a line from the top to get the accurate location of where I'm going to put my bottoms. You'll see what I do now. And then, as I say, I will put a notch in every post from the bottom to the fourth post at the top. And then I will start cutting and laying out. So here goes. Okay, forgot my chisel. I had it routed there but couldn't get a straight bit. But you can see that joint, the notch is done. So all is well that ends well, right? My name is Alex Burke and this is the Woodworking Dude channel. I am very thankful that you have watched my video, and I hope that you have found value from it as well. I will provide you some tips and some unanswered questions that wouldn't be included in the video. But before I bring these tips to you, I would like you to take this chance to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell. YouTube has changed some of the settings, so I think you have to press the notification bell twice to adjust how you would like to receive your notifications. If you want to see the videos that I'm bringing out, make sure that you adjust so that you can get notified. And I will bring content like this to you every week. Okay, tip 1. If you're looking to get a perfect job, observe the thickness of your lumber and size as desired. Keeping your lumber uniform will help you during the ending finish of the rail. If you don't size your lumber properly, you will have hangovers on your joints, which will work you harder in the ink. It's better to do this before and after. In the video, I didn't have the camera on the first shooting, but install your post first and check with your level tool. Then anchor as needed, as the post is a very key point to the stability of the handrail. So this is a very important step. Also, anchor the top post and the bottom post first, or the two opposite ends, and then run a line to get a straight. Also, you can use your level to spot check each point. Using a nylon line will give you an accurate point of where to put every post. It's basically those 2 tips according to the video that I'm putting forward, but I will go on to some questions that people who already saw the preliminary of the video asked, and one of those questions was, why did I notch each post both sides? And the answer was to maintain the strength of the post. It will reduce the rigidity of the post at that point. And in the beginning stage, it might not seem weaker, but when over time weather comes and the wood expands and contracts, this will serve as a critical weak point as the wood gets softer. When building a handrail, as least joints as possible may be better because of outdoor weather situations. But a couple joints in between will make your work significantly stronger. This is not textbook advice, but this is speaking from experience and seeing repairs associated with varied handrails. You guys should also know how thankful I am that you've taken the time to the Woodworkindude channel. Please comment below any ideas or any other questions you need to know about this or any other project or any other build that you want me to make a video about. Just leave in the comments. You can also email me with the links, and the links will be in the description. And please do have a wonderful day. This is Alex. Hope to see you in the future. I'm working to bring quality content like this every week, as I told you before. So please stay tuned. Over and out. Why don't you wear shoes?